welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be opening this fidget pack I got. Okay, well let's get straight into it. I am excited. I can't show you the other side. It has some person stuff like that. So how am I going to open it? So I'm going to just try and open it back here. It might be easier than that. Ah! Oh my gosh, I got it. I just ripped it open. Okay, I'm going to pull one thing at a time out, and I'll show you, okay? Okay, so first thing we got, oh, it's in my bags. Okay. That makes more sense. It's in one bag. So I'm just going to unzip the bag and pull one thing out at a time. Okay, so first off we've got, ooh, we've got a marble mesh. I've never got a marble mesh before. Oh, this is nice. I like this. This is so good. I really like this. 10 out of 10. Oh, there's another marble mesh. Blue one. Really nice. Ooh. We've got this. Oh my gosh, it's a really tiny monkey noodle. This is so cute and so small. I like this. Okay. Ooh, we've got a mochi. Mochi that I don't have. Ooh, let's open it. You don't really see it, but it's, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Tell me that's not cute. Oh, so cute. I love that. Okay. Next we have, oh, I was so excited for this. A dimple fidget spinner. It spins so nice. Bad side. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is amazing. I love this. I'm gonna save the poppets for last. Ooh, we've got an acupressure ring. Oh my gosh, that feels nice. I've never had an acupressure ring before, but it feels really nice. So nice. A pea popper! I was so excited for this. Oh, it doesn't have faces, but they're so cute. This is still so easy, and I love this. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, we've got a wacky track. I don't have this color. It's so stiff. This, at first, they're really stiff, but they're still really good. I really like this. It's an orange and green one. Pretty cool. Okay. Oh, mini pop tubes. That's so cool. I like the mini ones. It's a mini, like, magenta colored one. Well, I'm going to make a part 2, but I hope you like this. Bye.